My name is Raghuveer Karkera, age 70 plus. I had a surgery in year 2004, open heart surgery, replacement of aortic wall. So that life of the aortic wall is around 12 to 15 years. So now suddenly, since last 1 year, it started deteriorating. So I went to my regular doctor, Mr. Chonkar. Dr. Chonkar is a cardiologist. For the last 18 years, I was continuously consulting him, periodically going for checkup. And after last year, he said, since it is wall is deteriorating, you will have to go for a replacement. Now there is a two-way of the replacements. One is open heart, which earlier we did it. The second one is TAVI from the waist. But this is slightly expensive, and this one is. So finally, I said, okay. Due to pandemic, it was delayed for 1 year. So finally, we had decided in the month of June, this month only, and he has recommended Dr. Kaushik, who is attached to this hospital. He's a surgeon. I went to him. He said, okay, he spoke to Dr. Rao and fixed an appointment. He came here and we finalized with the operation. Accordingly, last Tuesday I was here. They went procedural, started with procedures, which is like CT scan, etc., echocardiogram, and Saturday my operation was completed. And today I am discharging from the hospital. And one thing is that I appreciate in this hospital, very cooperative, like a nursing staff, as well as all, right from OT, even ICU, outside also. Nursing staff, male, female, everyone is very cooperative and well experienced people. So that is one thing I appreciate. And otherwise, hospital is concerned is very good.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Rahul Gupta. I am the Chief Interventional Cardiologist at Apollo Hospital, Navi Mumbai. And this case, which I am going to describe, is a very interesting case. So Mr. Raghuveer, as you will see his discussion also, he had undergone aortic valve surgery, open heart surgery about 17 years back, and he was fitted with a prosthetic tissue valve, bioprosthetic valve. And over a period of time, this tissue valves tends to get degenerated and their longevity is around 14-15 years. But for him, he had continued with this valve for about 17 years. And since last 1 year, he has been complaining of discomfort, breathlessness, palpitations, all those symptoms which come. So his valve had become defective. And then he approached our team, where he was initially seen by our surgeon, Dr. Santesh Kaushik, and the option was discussed, open heart surgery, replacing the valve again by opening the chest versus doing the TAVI procedure. So we have a heart team at Apollo Hospital where we discuss these kind of cases, and it was concluded and everything was discussed with the patient, and he opted for a TAVI procedure. Now this TAVI procedure is a procedure which is done most commonly through the arteries of the legs, like in the groin, as we do an angiography or angioplasty, we go through that very small incision, no sutures required, and we go through a small tube, we reach the heart, and we place the valve over there. So there are two kinds of valve. One is balloon expandable, one is self-expandable. Both valves are good. And this procedure took about 45 minutes. And this patient was, just given local anesthesia and mild sedation. Actually, he was talking to us while we were doing the procedure. And the recovery was so fantastic. Immediately on the table, as we implanted, we saw the echocardiography. His valve started functioning well. His AR had completely disappeared. He was wheeled into the ICU after the procedure. He was made to sit after 3-4 hours, and then he was allowed to eat food immediately 2 hours after the procedure. And actually, he was ready to go home within 24 hours. But psychologically, we want that patient should be observed little more. Everybody is it's a big procedure, so we are anxious that basically from the patient's side. So we kept him for one more day, and then we discharged him within 48 hours. So this case depicts us that how the advancement in the therapies can make life so simple. So shorter ICU stay, just 24 hours. In fact, the hospital stay would have been just 48 hours, and there are no cuts, no stitches. Recovery is fantastic. The results are superb, and patient can actually go home, do all their normal activities like a normal individual without any heart disease. So this is just to tell everybody that how the science is advancing and how things are becoming more easier and simpler for the disease conditions to be treated, so that shorter stay and faster recovery makes a huge difference. Just to tell you particularly about Mr. Raghuveer, he was a fantastic patient, very confident, very comfortable, and he just surrendered himself that he do the best. And we typically see that somebody who has we discussed everything and who are confident, their outcomes are also superb. So this was one of the superb outcomes which we observed in this case. Thank you very much.